Hi everybody, this is Dr. Arun.V.Varnekar. Today we are going to talk about, discuss about the care of a child since the birth till the age of 5 years. So, what is the need of knowing the important points to be taken care during this particular age? So, why it is so special? I feel this is the age where the child is given the utmost care to have a very good mental development, very good physical development, the physical appearance, and a perfect adulthood what he has to attain. The most of the parents, we wish to have a very good perfect adulthood what our children should attain. And the fourth one is the child should be socially acceptable. So, to give us very good social life, we need to have a very good care during this particular age. It's very, very important. And we need to make the child understand the social norms and the social adaptability, which is very, very important to get a very good position in the future life. Friends, but why do we need to inform these things? The young parents, as you know very well, the nuclear families will have a very less information from the elders. There is a lot of jumbling of the informations. First of all, the wrong information from the different sources, the clash of the elders' information what the younger parents get nowadays with their own and the media what they portray. The final outcome will definitely affect the child's growth and development. We need to clarify all the points, we need to understand the basic points, and we should give the utmost care at the age of 0 to 5 years. The most important thing is the myths. Most of the times we go wrong to understand the real facts behind the care of a child till the age of 5 years. Now, to have made it very simple and very understandable. So, we have bins for everything, like basically we have a letter bin, we have an information bin, we have so many bins in our life. So, we will have one bin for this also, that is BINS. Friends, let us see what is bin stands for. B stands for breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the most important factor in the development of a child. We all know, we keep reading, we see in many advertisements and the government publications, the breastfeeding is a very, very, very important at the age of, till the age of 6 months, and we need to continue breastfeeding till the age of 2 years. So, let's see what is the importance of the breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is nutritious, the breast milk is very nutritious, it gives the required nutrients for the growth of brain and the body, which is very important at the first 2 years of life. Secondly, it is very safe and hygienic. You have so many special advantages of passive immunity, which is transferred from the mother to the baby. The fourth one is the child will have a very good bonding with the mother. These things are very important, and we need to start breastfeeding as soon as the baby is born. And we have to solely breastfeed the baby till the age of 6 months. That is very important. You can continue the breastfeeding if the situation permits till the age of 2 years. That is the first one, B in the bins. The second letter comes I. I is immunization. We need to protect the child from so many diseases. The diseases are sometimes very dangerous to the babies. We have a national immunization schedule, we have a WHO recommendation. Any government private health centers will definitely advise you and give you the full total information regarding the primary and the important vaccinations. Diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, Hib, pneumococcal, hepatitis B, and MMR, the measles, mumps, rubella stands very important immunizations within the age of 2 years. Remember to immunize your child in a very regular intervals. You have many apps, you have many informations, you have health cards. There are so many health workers and doctors are there to help you out at any moment. The third factor, the third letter in the bin is N. N stands for the nutrition. Dear friends, remember, the nutrition at right quantity and right time can bring out a lot of changes. You want your child to come first in the school, you want your child learn faster, you want your child learn better, you want your child grow better, you need to have a very good knowledge about the nutrition. Remember friends, you need to give a good amount of sugar, this carbohydrate. Being a practicing pediatrician, I keep getting the myths. The parents come and talk and discuss about the bad effect of the sugar. But sugar is definitely good for children, but at a particular required quantity, not excess. And the most important factors are calcium, vitamin D, iron, protein and minerals. So, we need to solely breastfeed till the age of 6 months, as I told earlier, and we need to add the weaning food like basically the cereals, ragi, wheat and fruits as the child grows. After 6 months of age, you are going to add wheat and ragi along with the jaggery and the milk. Then you are going to add fruits at the age of 8 months, add non-vegetarian protein, that is fish, after the age of 1 year. And if you are a non-vegetarian, and you add you can, if you are non-vegetarian, you can give egg and the meat after the age of 1 year, 6 months. And make sure the quantity and the quality has to be very good and balanced. Please give in a small regular intervals. Don't give a very short interval, as well as don't leave a very long gap. Pre-cooked and processed food are not recommended at this age. The salt should be avoided till the 8 months of age. Very important points to be remember. Do not add fruits in an early age. You can start the fruits after 8 months. This stands for N, that is the nutrition of the child. And finally is schooling, which as a pediatrician I keep telling, please do not hurry and rush to send your child to school. Schooling is a very important aspect in the child. Learning should start after the age of 3 years, 8 months from in the school. The child starts learning since the baby is born, but the official learning of the subjects and the letters and the official learning, what we say, the academic learning should start at the age of 3 years, 8 months. Please do not push the child to the school at very early age. The child, as we very well known saying in Kannada, ಮನೆಯೇ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ, whatever the things the baby learns in the house is very important. The mother, the father, the siblings and the neighbors and relatives will teach him or her a lot very important lessons in the life. So, let the child go to the school after 3 years, 8 months. Friends, this is the basic thing, out of which you have to very well remember breastfeeding, immunization, nutrition and schooling. If you do these things very properly, methodically and meticulously, your child will have a very good and excellent adulthood. Wishing you all the best.